All right, today I have a Chevy Blazer and I'm going to show you how to fold down the rear seats so you have more cargo space in the rear. Okay, you can see that the seats are up and I'm going to fold them down. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to set them back up to where they're back into place where you can have passengers in the back. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the rear of the Chevy Trailblazer. You can see right there, rear of the vehicle. What I'm gonna do to lay down the seats is, I'm first going to have to scoot the front seats up because they are too far back for the rear seats to be laid down. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go inside of the vehicle and I am going to move the seats up closer to the front, and I can adjust them later after I get the seats down. So once I get the seats up, I'm going to go back to the rear of the vehicle, and then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to pull this. See this? There's a latch right here, and the red is showing means that it is unlocked. I'm going to go and fold it down. Now I can make adjustments. I can move the seat backwards to allow the front seat driver to have a little bit more leg room. All right. Now, if the front seat driver needs more leg room, what you can do is you can remove the headrest, and you do it by pulling the headrest up and holding the button. Actually, you can't remove the headrest. What you can do is flatten the headrest. You see how it comes right here? Instead of removing it, you can go ahead, press this button, and it folds flat like this, and you can press the side button or the seat button and press the headrest down as far as it can go. And once you do that, you can lay it down flat, and then I'm going to walk to the other side of the vehicle, and I'm going to do it with this side as well. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to find this, pull this latch, unlock it, make sure the seat belt is either that, like that, and just wind it back so the seat belt's not there. And now you have it flat, and you have all of this space right here to where you can actually put things in here. Boxes, I don't know what you need to put on here, but you have a lot of space. And when you're done, you just go ahead, pull this up, make sure the seat belt is not caught behind it, wait for it to click in space, make sure you don't see that red. That means it's locked into place. And then I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm going to do it to this side as well. Pick it up, make sure the seat belt is in place, lock it, and voila. Everything is in place, and now that is how you put the seats back into place. That's how you fold them down for more cargo space, and you can just go ahead and close the trunk and have it done like that. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.